Hey crafty fam, it's Alex Vanover and welcome back to my craft room and today number 14 of the 15-day craft challenge. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this super cute mini pom-pom keychain. I added it onto a purse to show you how it can be used, but they are super versatile, super fun, and all you need is yarn, a fork, and scissors to get started. So let me show you how to do it. When you get started, you need to have kind of a long tail, so hold a piece out like that and secure it with your thumb. Then as you begin wrapping, you want to hold that tail in place, and then eventually you want to incorporate it into your pom-pom like I did there. Then as you're wrapping, you want to keep it kind of narrow on the fork and make sure that you try to keep the sides even, so don't let a big mound of yarn go in the center or on the sides. When you're happy with the size of your pom-pom, you're going to take that final strand and measure it as long as the tail and cut it off. Then you're just going to double knot the two tails together to make sure that the pom-pom stays together and secured. This can be a little tricky if your yarn starts to unravel, but just be patient. Next, you need to take the tip of your yarn and put it through the center prong of your fork. Then after you get it threaded, make sure that you pull a nice long tail through it. Then you're gonna go in through the center prong in the top and you're gonna tie a really tight double knot around your pom-pom. This needs to keep it together, so make sure that you really focus on making it as tight as you can. And of course, don't break your yarn. And you can cut your two tails even. Slip your pom-pom off the fork and then you can snip each side of all the loops. If your scissors are not super sharp, this may be a little bit challenging, so use the sharpest pair of scissors that you have. Then check for any loops you missed. Next, you want to start fluffing out your pom-pom. So you're going to leave the long tails alone, put those between your fingers, and then you can kind of hold on to them as you begin to give your pom-pom a haircut. When it gets misshapen, you can roll it between your fingers like this, like a piece of dough, and that will kind of make it circular again. So I would caution you that you don't want to over trim your pom-pom. You want to try to take off just little snippets of the ends until you can get it as circular as possible. I am definitely guilty of over trimming my pom-poms and making them not like a ball anymore. So that's why I say go slow, take your time on this. This does take a while and you're going to get yarn pieces everywhere. So make sure that you have a surface that's easy to wipe off underneath where you're making your pom-pom. When you're happy with the roundness of your pom-pom, then you can decide what you're going to do with it. You can add it to keychain hardware by just tying the long tails around a jump ring or a piece of hardware and secure it using a double knot. You can also add it onto jewelry hardware to make earrings. You can make a pom-pom banner. There's tons of different things you can do with these cute little pom-poms. I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to make this.